Hi, my name is Paul and this is my machining centre equipped with a Renishaw probing system. The probing system helps us to eliminate manual setting errors, eliminate reliance on fixtures, reduce scrap and costs and increase productivity and profits, making the boss happy. Here is an example of a part we produce. Before we introduced the Renishaw probing system, our material was positioned on the machine bed and located using a fixture. However, it was sometimes misaligned due to the presence of swarf or debris. This meant that features were being machined incorrectly. As a result, we scrapped parts, wasting time and money. My boss was not happy. Now we use the Renishaw probing system to locate our parts. Using the same example, the probe is able to accurately locate the material. Enabling the control to automatically compensate for any misalignment. The probing system ensures that all features are correctly machined and gives us confidence in our manufacturing process. The completed part is added to stock, the boss is happy, and the company is making more profit. Thanks to our Renishaw probing system.